Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. If you have dry, oily or pale skin and deal with acne, black spots or other problems, yeast mask will give you the easiest solution. I would recommend you to try this mask especially if you have dry skin type and your skin is very dry, and it can be used not only for people with dry skin but also for people with oily skin structure. If your oily skin is too bright and causing acne, you will balance the oil ratio and clear the acne with a yeast mask. Yeast balances the oil content of the skin, nourishes the skin, remove wrinkles, acne and stops acne formation. It removes dead skin cells, supports eczema and skin treatment, delays the effects of aging. It removes wrinkles and skin spots. Your wrinkles will decrease and oil balance of the skin will be obtained. All we need here is 2 teaspoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of yeast. Mix well. Apply this mixture on your face and neck and leave it for about 1 hour. And don't forget before applying any face mask to clean your face. Then wash your face with warm water. After drying your face, use moisturizing cream. Try this mask twice a week for best results. You will get an amazing result. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.